Hey there, this is a double wall steam jacketed kettle and it's used in food production. Today I'm going to tell you how steam helps keeps the yuckies like E. coli and Salmonella out of this. Stay tuned. Hey, I'm Brent, you're watching Steam Culture. Welcome or welcome back to our long-time viewers. Well, as I said, we have this steam kettle here and it's actually double walled, which means there's two walls because it's double. And there's steam in between the two walls, and that heats up whatever we got in here. Food factories use these things, in fact, in quite a bit bigger scale than this to make all sorts of stuff, sauces, soups, food. Well, here's the deal. The steel jacketed wall collects the steam on the inside, again, heating the stuff on the inside. Never comes in contact with the food. If it did come in contact with the food, something different would have to happen. Now, that steam that comes to the kettle is called plant steam or utility steam. Now, that steam comes out of the boiler, which means it's had chemicals in the boiler, all right, to keep the boiler from corroding. Now, that steam can't come in contact with food or with food services. You need something called culinary steam. Now, culinary steam has that designation because it either can be used in the direct contact with food or direct contact with any surfaces that food comes in contact with, such as a kettle like this, or maybe some kind of station, a big table, or things like that. What makes it culinary steam is that it goes through a special stainless steel filter that filters out impurities, particulates, and everything down to 5 microns, in some cases 0.2 microns. Also filters out things like E. coli and Salmonella and other little goodies that we don't want in our food. So when you hear culinary steam, you'll know that's not for cooking. It's actually for keeping your food safe and clean. And you know that because you watch Steam Culture. So speaking of, you want to learn some other stuff? Go by our site and Google us. We got content for you each and every week. We got some boiling points, which aren't so bad if you want to learn something. Not that you don't learn anything on Steam Culture, but it's a different kind of learning. So anyway, don't know where I'm going with that. I'm just going to wrap it up, guys. I got to get out of here before I blow it any worse than I already have. See you next Friday.